Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install Apache web server on Ubuntu Linux server 24.04. Then we will see how to start and enable the Apache web server. Okay, first verify whether we have Apache web server or not. Sudo systemctl status Apache 2. See, you don't have any service with Apache. So install it. Sudo apt install Apache 2. Hit enter. Type and hit enter. It's done. Now verify the status of Apache server. Sudo systemctl status Apache 2. See, we have successfully installed Apache 2. No need to enable it, automatically enabled. Okay, you took it. So no need to start or enable the Apache service. So in this video we have seen how to install Apache web server on Ubuntu Linux server 24.04. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.